Endscreen is that element that you can add to your video when your video is about to end. What can Endscreen do for you? It can make viewers discover other of your videos. Endscreen will help you get more views in the sense that when the person click on the video, the person will watch if the video is interesting. That way it will increase watch hour, it will increase visibility. Endscreen can be in form of video, it can be in form of playlist, it can be in form of subscribe button. What does this mean? After creating your video, you can bring out one of your video and add it towards the ending of the video you want to upload or video you have uploaded. When somebody click on that video, that Endscreen video, the person will watch. Now you can use a playlist as your Endscreen. Once the person clicked on that playlist, the person will see other of your videos and watch. You can use a subscribe button. Once the person click on that subscribe button, click on that image that they wrote subscribe, the person will automatically subscribe for you. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you are going to add Endscreen to your video. There is another word, card. Card is that one that will appear in form of write-up. It is also a video, but it will appear in form of write-up. Once that person click on it, the person will be able to watch that video. So you can also use playlist as your card. So I'm going to show you these two features, Endscreen and card. Before I show you this, there is something I want to say here. If you are filming your video vertically, you can only add 2 Endscreen, okay, 2 videos. But if you are filming horizontally, you can add 4 videos as your Endscreen. So take note of this. So your filming position matters when it comes for Endscreen. So let's go to my phone recording so that you can see how to add Endscreen to your video. You are going to get desktop version of your YouTube studio. Okay, I've gotten mine, so I'm going to click on Chrome browser. So I click on Chrome browser, I click on YouTube Chrome. So I'm going to scroll down. You can see all these icons by my left hand side. If you're holding your phone by your left hand side, okay, so I'm going to scroll up and see the one they wrote language, and I will click on it. When I click on it, it's going to open another page. Okay, so when it opens, you can see list of my videos. So any video that I want here, I'm going to click on the first write-up beside the video. Once I click on the first write-up beside the video, a pen icon is going to pop up by the left hand side. Then I will click on the pen icon. Once I click on the pen icon, I will scroll towards my right hand side. Okay, then when I scroll towards my right hand side, I will scroll down. That is where I will see the Endscreen. You are going to start with Endscreen. I click on Endscreen, it will open another page. You see by the top side at the left hand side, you see elements. You click on element. Now these are lists of things you can use as your Endscreen: video, playlist, subscribe, channel and link. So I'm going to click on video, the one they wrote video. It will open and give you options. The first option is the one the system has chosen for you. You can choose your own option. So I have to scroll down so that I can select choose specific video. So once I click on choose specific video, it will enable me to choose the video that I want as my Endscreen. So I'm going to choose this first one. Once I click on it, it has been added. Then next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to save. Can see where they wrote save at the upper side. I'm going to save it. If it not save it, this video will not be added. To add another one, you can click on element again, choose specific video and add the video you want. Like I said, you can add up to 4 elements if your video is horizontal. So you can choose playlist. This one, let's choose playlist. You can choose playlist and add. You can choose subscribe and add. Now I'm going to scroll down. You can see this long icon here. This long icon, you are going to use it to position the time you want the Endscreen to start showing. Okay, so if I position this icon, this long icon here, that means the Endscreen is going to start from that time in that video. Once you add anything, make sure you save it before
leaving the page. If not, it will not be effective. So let me show you how you are going to add card as well. You are going to click on card. When you click it, you see this place they wrote card with plus icon. You click on it as well. These are elements you can also add as your card. So I'm going to click on the one they wrote playlist so that I can use playlist. So once you click on it, you can see this place that they wrote timing, something like a timing 000. You are going to set the time that you want the card to display. Okay, so once you click on it, you are going to set it by yourself. Once that video is playing, it reach that time, it will start showing that video you use as your cards. So once you are done, make sure you save what you have added.
This is Empress Tips channel. If you find this video helpful, please support this channel by subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up.